USDT Masters. So we'll be focusing on what will be happening for the week. So I'll be just doing a meeting with my team. As you can see, they've already joined. But if you also want to be part of the team, to join part of the USDT Masters to learn about the time zone trading strategy, just make sure you click the link on the description below and you'll be part of the team. So to learn more about the time zone trading strategy. But yeah, let's start. Let's look at let me check the guys so we can start. Yeah, the guys are coming in. Yeah, these are the guys. These are the top-notch traders here. I'm with some specialties here. The king traders here. Evening, guys.
Hi, good evening, sir. How are you?
Hey, I'm good. I'm recording this session just to tell you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, some guys said they can't join, so I'm gonna post it. Yeah. Okay. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. And Sean, I forgot to I sent you even last week's session, the one you did. I recorded it, but I tried to send it. I don't know. Did you receive it? I didn't check.
The signal is very, very bad from your side, my friend.
Oh, my signal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like breaking up.
Yeah, correct. I'm good now. I was connected to a different Wi-Fi. That one is a better one. I'm back now. Okay. Can you hear me, guys? Am I?
Yeah, it's better now.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I was asking, did you receive the recording, the analysis you did last week? I think I sent it to you. I don't know if you received it. I didn't. I'll check. I remember sending it. I just have to check again. I'll check. I'll check if it went through.
Thank you for lifting.
Okay, so as you know, we start off firstly looking at the weekly chart. So that's the important thing. But I already looked at the weekly chart. There's no repetitions. All these candlesticks are different. It moves differently everywhere. So I can't find any repetitions on the weekly. So I'm just gonna skip it. There's nothing on the weekly. There's nothing on the daily. I haven't tried to look at the daily. Nothing. No repetitions. Zero. So what we're going through is completely something new. So even here, yeah, nothing. Even on the daily, I checked, zero. Yeah, and then guys. So we on the weekly we check repetitions. What weekly repetitions has been happening, and also on daily we check daily repetitions. But I could show you how we do it, but there's nothing. So we'll see it maybe next week or during our lessons. And then 3 hours. That's mostly where we draw our trend lines. We check our formations. Formations, we check it on what? On the 3 hour. So let's see if we can draw a trend line. Let's see. Hey, we broke a trend line. On an uptrend now. So I don't know. We broke this downtrend. So going up. Let me see. I don't know if we can draw an uptrend here. No, there's nothing. There's no trend. If I try to draw it here, I'll be squeezing it. So, yeah. Because the trend we drew, we already used this trend. and we had more than 3 touches. We had multiple touches. We had 4 touches, so it's done. I can't say let's wait for another touch here. When will that happen? Okay, so I'm not gonna use trend line. So let's go for formations. So let's check formations. So as you know, we start counting from the previous formation. So the previous formation that we had was here. As you can see, this was the previous formation, and as you can see, it's a head and shoulder. So it did a head and shoulder and broke out. So we start counting from this day. So we start counting from here. So this will be my day 1, and my day 2 will be there. My day 2 will be there, and then my day 3. Oh, it's here. So already we're on day 3. So we're looking for a formation. So for tomorrow, we're gonna look for an entry right there. That's where we're gonna look for an entry. As you can see, it's 9 o'clock. There, it's 9. So tomorrow, we want 9 o'clock to come and retest there. So tomorrow, we expect that 9 o'clock will come, retest there, taking the market down. But if 9 o'clock doesn't come there, it still continues to consolidate below, and maybe like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Hey guys, mute. So maybe if 9 o'clock doesn't come there, it still continues to go down, but 3 or 4 or 5 comes to retest here, it's gonna be a strong sell. It's gonna be a very strong sell. But if 9 o'clock does manage to reject there, it fails to break here, we know it's just gonna be a short sell. Just gonna be a short sell. And then at the next fade, that's when we're gonna see a buy again. So, but we shall see. But okay, that's with the formation. So we know we are expecting a formation tomorrow. That's all. So, but you know, there's more. With time zone trading, there's more. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour. At the 1 hour, that's where we look at our repetitions on the 1 hour. So we know that tomorrow we might see something like this. Don't be surprised if market doesn't continue down, just comes just to scare you a bit. It's still gonna come down. Because we're expecting a formation. It's gonna form an M or a head and shoulder. If it does, yes, it breaks, we're gonna expect the head and shoulder. But everything is gonna happen tomorrow, so there's a high chance it's not gonna be a head and shoulder. It's gonna be an M formation, a very high chance that it's gonna be an M formation. But yeah, once we're done with the 3 hours, we come to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we use it to find weekly, monthly, daily repetitions. So I've already done that. I'm done. I already found my repetitions. So my repetitions that I saw that continually happen is the first. So every month, the first Monday of every month, there is a similar pattern that happens. The first Monday of every month. So I want to show it to you. So we're gonna check on June. This month is July. It's gonna be the 3rd. So if you go to the previous month and you go to the 5th, check the 5th. So the 5th. Oh, sorry guys. Just had a big dinner today. So this is the start. This is the first Monday, as you can see. The first Monday happened on the 5th, and I want you to see the repetition. Hey guys, we don't want any sound. We don't want any sound. Yeah, so I want you to check this, what happened on a Friday. So as you can see, on a Friday, the buy, there was a consolidation, a small consolidation here. Just a small consolidation here. And we saw the market break at 9 o'clock. So this 9 o'clock failed to be a and then it broke at 9 o'clock, and then at 1 o'clock it gave us a red candlestick, and immediately at 2 o'clock, lock that time in your mind, lock that time. Immediately at 2 o'clock it bought until 9 o'clock. And 9 o'clock was the high. It created 9 o'clock at the high. I want you to have it. So it consolidated on Thursday, and then Friday it broke out of the consolidation at 9 o'clock. Have that time, and then it bought, and then at 1, just a small red candlestick, but the buy continued even more starting at 2 o'clock. Have that time in your head, and then it continued for a buy until the high, which was at 9 o'clock. Have that time. So we're gonna also check this Friday. We're also gonna check this Friday. So let's look at this Friday. So also this Friday we had a consolidation right here. Can you see? Same consolidation, and then we had a high at 9, but we see also here it was a high at 18, but we see that it broke here at 10, there it broke at 9, but it bought, and at 1 it came down, and a strong buy started at what time? Exactly 2 o'clock, just like the previous Monday of the first month. It bought, and it created a high at what time? Created a high at 9 o'clock. Can you see the similarities? Can you see, guys? Similarities. So this Monday it created a high at 9, but we saw a break, so we broke that high, and then we started to sell. Can you see it, guys? So we broke the high that was created on Friday, then we saw a sell after breaking that high. So that was a Monday. So let's check also the other money just to confirm it. So I'm gonna go to the previous month again. On May, I'm gonna check the first Monday of that month. First Monday of that month. And then I want you to look at something again. Same thing. Previous day, which is a Friday, creates a consolidation. And then the big buy starts at 2. And then creates a high at 9. Here's 9 o'clock. The next day, we must break it. We want to break the 9 o'clock. Then we're going to see a sell. Okay, here it was 10 o'clock. So let me not say 9. Let me say the high of Friday. On Monday, we have to break it. We have to go above it. Then we sell. So best entry for Monday is to make sure that we're done breaking it. We're coming down. We're coming down. So can you see the repetition, guys? Let me show it to you one last time. So we're going to look at the June one. It created a high on Friday. That's the high. And then on Monday, we break that high. And then we sell. That's what happened. And then also here, the exact same thing. Friday created a high. On Monday, we broke it. Then we sold. Then we sold. This was a long sell. So, but we can check another one, April. We can also check April. I don't remember. I think because we wanted to work at least 2 times. If it works the third time, yeah, it might not work. It might not work. Okay, yeah, here it didn't work here. Here we broke, but we sold. This is not a sell even. This is not a sell. Yeah. This is not a sell. It broke at what time? Also broke at 9. Okay, it broke at 9. So the other times, what time does it break? I didn't even check the times. Here it broke at 3. And then there it broke at 12. Okay, so we don't want it to break at 9. If it breaks at 9 o'clock, it's gone. It's gonna be a long buy. Just like Thursday, just like Friday. Even Friday did the very same thing. It broke at 9 and it was gone. So, yeah. So what we want for tomorrow, let me go back to it. So what we want for tomorrow, as you can see, yes, we created a high here. So what we want is for the market to start and break here before 9 o'clock, to break, or to break around 3 o'clock. So if we break this before 9 o'clock, it's gonna sell. It's going to sell, yes. But if 9 o'clock comes and breaks and closes above, we're gonna come retest, then we're gonna continue for buys. Do you have any questions? Do you understand? It's a repetition. So I was looking at repetitions. I'm just following repetitions there. You understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. It's understandable.
Oh, you understand?
So if it breaks that high which we're seeing there,
Yes.
Before my
it
hand.
might come back to about 550
Oh,
for retest, and then still gonna buy.
Yes.
Okay. And if it's break before 9 a.m., then it might go for a big sell.
Yes. And then I'm basing that based on what happened on the previous months, because I
Yeah.
see a similar repetition every time. On Fridays it gave us a strong buy, on Thursday then it consolidated, then continued to buy. It's been doing that every first month, and then it sells every time. If it does buy, consolidate, buy, it's gonna sell. So it's been doing that every first month, every first Monday of the month. So I'm basing my theory on that, because it does the same thing. Even here, same thing. Buy from Thursday, consolidation, continue buy on Friday, Monday sell. Can you see? So that's what I'm basing it on. So also on May, same thing. The buy started on Thursday, consolidation, buy continues on Friday, Monday sell. So I'm just basing it based on what's been happening. So I don't want to go against how the market has been behaving. And then we also know that we are expecting a formation tomorrow, which is an M formation, which also the formation says we are selling. So I don't know. But as I say, if 9 o'clock breaks, we should look for buys. Should just watch out for 9 o'clock. Okay, anyone with a question or some info, some extra knowledge that we can consider?